Hi there everyone. Okay, today this lesson, well, I would have to say this lesson is about your driving test, and I'm just gonna give you a few driving tips. Now I'm sitting in the car at the side of the road and I need to drive off. So anyway, the car's already started, so we're about to leave. So my right foot goes on the brake pedal. Then I get rid of the parking brake, place the gear selected to drive, signal to the left because I'm leaving, check the rear view mirror, check the left outside mirror and the left shoulder or blind spot, and it's safe. Check around again and go. Once I'm in motion, cancel the signal. Okay. At the stop sign ahead, it's a left turn. So I signal left. And do we have a white line here that I could see? No. Is there a sidewalk? Can't see it. Yep, now I can see it, so I stop just before it. Check left, right. But it's not clear because of the snow, so I have to inch up. And now it's clear to the left and clear to the right. Just keep checking like crazy and make the turn. And by the way, the routine for checking, because we drive on the right side of the road, is left, right, left. Okay. Now, as you can see, there are cars parked on the right. So I have to change my position, but I can't just drive over there, although most drivers will. I signal, mirror, shoulder, then I drift. Then cancel the signal. And this guy is doing the same thing, so I don't go back over there. I just stay here until when I pass him, then I signal, mirror, blind spot, then I move to the correct driving position. Okay, at the stop sign ahead, it's going to be a left turn. So I put my left signal on. What do I have here? White line? No. Sidewalk? Yes. So I stop before it. And remember, the reason you stop before it, especially now that I can't see properly, someone could be there, kid could be there with a bicycle or something, and he crashes into the car and it would be my fault. So anyway, I can't see properly, so now I can inch forward until I can see, and there it is, there's a car, and I can see that there's no one in the crosswalk. Now check left, right, and then I go. That sign, it says new. There's a new stop sign ahead, and there's no white line or crosswalk, so I stop just at the stop sign. Check left, right, then I proceed. At the stop sign, left turn, signal left, there is a white line. So when I don't see the line, that's when I stop right there. So I've stopped properly, but guess what? I can't see anything to the left or to the right. So what I have to do is inch up with my foot on the brake. As long as the car is moving, that's all the speed you need. Idle speed. Now I can see clearly to the left and also to the right, but it's not safe. Cars are approaching from the right, cars are approaching from the left, so I just have to wait my turn. Okay, that's one, that's two, that's three, and there's a fourth one from the right. Then I look to the left and it's safe, so I can proceed to make the left turn. Recover, and then I accelerate. Now the speed here is 40, and I'm right on 40. middle of winter here in Canada. As you can see, all the snow, but it's dirty snow. Look how black the snow is. And here you can see how high it was. That's about 7 feet high right there. But the roads are clear, and the reason that the roads are so clear and dry, it's because it's so cold that the snow can't freeze. I just passed that police officer there. He was staring. I guess he's wondering how come I'm doing 40. I guess he expected me to be breaking the law or something, because he was really staring. Okay. Alright, now the next street down I'm gonna be making a right turn. And there's a crosswalk, so I make sure I check to make sure there's no one there. Signal right, mirror, check over my right shoulder, because remember, someone could be riding a bike or jogging or something. So I want to make sure it's safe to do the right turn. Okay. Now I'm gonna parallel park behind this black truck. So I put my right signal on, check my mirror and right blind spot, pull up alongside this vehicle, no more than 2 feet from the side of this vehicle, and I stop when the back of my vehicle is in line with the back of this parked vehicle. Place the gear selector to reverse, 3/4 revolution to the right. So I'm holding at the 12 and 6 position. Check around, make sure it's good, and it is. So all I have to do is check like crazy, just backing up. And when the front of my vehicle is in line with the back of this vehicle, but of course at an angle, I stop. Get all the turns into the left, then continue to back into the parking space. All I have to do is keep checking. Back, front, all the way in until it's straight. Place the gear selector to drive. Straighten the wheel. Leave space, and I'm fine. I'm a little bit too far out though. I could correct it, and I will. Because on the driving test, if you're too far away, they'll fail you. So I'm too far. I don't have to ask the examiner, oh, can I fix it? You should know that, hey, this thing is too far out. So what I'll do is turn my wheel to the left, then I turn it to the right, and just keep turning, and then keep checking and get the car. Just keep checking all around, bring the car further in until it's straight. There. Place the gear selector to drive. Now I need to straighten the wheel, so that's clock, and then clock again, then I move up, and that's it. Leave some space. Apply the parking brake, gear selector to park, and that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. So now I'm just going to turn the ignition off, take the key out, don't leave the key in your car, and then I go about my business. Once again, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.